What's up, crypto maniacs? Yes, Tom here for an update in the cryptocurrencies. Gave you the warning some time back that this 92,259 actually had to hold. Once we broke, we're tracking down to the all-important level of 82,000, 82,000 even, let's say. So what's going on right now? There's a lot going on. It's February 26, 2025. It's around 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Decided to give you an update. We got price dips, market chaos, bombshells to unpack. So get ready to smash the like and subscribe button. Let's jump in. So where we're at, Bitcoin's trading right now at 86,800. It's down about 3.5% in the last 24 hours. It hit a new low, for today's range down at this 85,418. The low yesterday was 86,776. We can't say it's not been a brutal week. It has been a brutal week. It's down to over 8%, and it's the weakest it's been since November of 24. But this is not unusual for Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been known to take, a lot of bad rates, and it's been happening right now. But for the whales, this is like a great place to accumulate Bitcoin. The only way that we actually see any type of upward momentum in Bitcoin is if we can get above this 92,259, and then we're tracking back to that 97. Right now, we're basically just in a consolidation, but we got some good news. It's not all bad news. Marketplace is basically just consolidating here. Main support is 82.35. I would think that, a start of a recovery, if I'm looking at the short-term charts, I think we'd start to see some action around 89,000, say 90,000. That would be the first spot that we need to get over this resistance to get to this 92, and then to get us back up to the 97,000. On the macro scene, it's a mess. Investors are freaking out over the Trump tariffs. Threats against Canada, Mexico, and China. So they're dumping what they consider to be riskier assets like crypto and tech stocks. They were getting hammered too on the Nasdaq, and it's still occurring. So really, we throw on top of that consumer confidence that was down, and it's no wonder people are dumping crypto. But then there's on Ethereum, which is still basically still recovering from that Bybit hack last week. I don't mean to beat a dead horse, but North Koreans steal a record 1.5 billion. Okay, they did. Great. That was already in the news. Now, the thing is that Bitcoin really wasn't hit at that first point, but crypto space really took a hit. They were feeling the burn of that. So prices are still wobbly. Ethereum took a bigger, gut punch, but it's holding its own right now. It's not really crawling back. It's basically still in a downward consolidation pattern. The main support is 2,121. If we go back in time, let's just crunch this chart a little bit. We had that major push down before the marketplace came back up, started trading in these ranges. Once we broke this low, we started to trade lower, and we are right now right here. The only way I see this thing really recovering anytime soon is if we get up above this high of 2,536. Let me put a level up there, 2,536. I mean, this coin moves quite quickly, and there's some news that I want to go over that actually could really spur this coin up to make it jump. Okay, so here's the big news. Grayscale is shaking things up for Ethereum. So yesterday we had some news coming out that the SEC is looking to go forward with what they kicked off on the New York Stock Exchange when they filed on February 14th. If it's approved, Grayscale's Ethereum Trust and Mini Trust could stake Ethereum, earning rewards for investors. Now picture this: institutional money being able to basically, get involved in a big way with Ethereum. So now if they're staking Ethereum through a regulated ETF, that demand could skyrocket it and bring us right back up, way past the highs that we see here. That's the positive news. The negative news is that it's in the marketplace that, Bitcoin's got its own drama because we have BlackRock and Fidelity basically selling hundreds of millions of coins, and the news is that perhaps Wall Street's taking a pause. I don't believe that. I think that what they did was they were actually, hedging for losses. For whatever in their portfolio, they were having some losses. They basically sold off some of their coins, which they accumulated at a much lower level, and they were just trying to hedge those losses, take some money back in. So that's what we got going on. Bitcoin and Ethereum are in the trenches, but Grayscale's stacking could be a really big game changer for this. So the point you got to watch for the breakout above is this 90,000 level in Bitcoin, actually showing us that we could get up to the 92, and in Ethereum, I think this 2005.31 is the level we got to get above to try to get through this 2006.05, bring us back up into this range. Really, we're drifting lower. I don't really expect, right now, anything to come out of this marketplace that's going to shake it up. We got, they got until May 26th to decide, but tell me what you think below in the comments. You think they're going to go for it? You think they're not going to go for it? I actually believe that they're going to go for it. So I look forward to seeing you guys again tomorrow. Please, I'm trying to get at least like 5 likes, like and subscribe. Head over to my X account, sign up for that, and I will be posting stuff there shortly. Cheers.